How to disable and enable touchscreen in Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can enable or disable touchscreen in a Windows device. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So first steps first, what you'll have to do is open up your device manager. So to do that, you can press Windows X and then select device manager from here, or simply search for device manager. After you search for device manager, open it up, and after you open it up, there you should find an option that is called human interface devices. You can expand on that, and here you'll find HID compliant touchscreen. So if you double click on it, this should open up, that is its properties. All you have to do is head over to the driver section, and there you'll find an option that says disable device. Tap on disable device and tap on select yes. Doing that, your touchscreen will stop working. It will basically be disabled. Then you'll find an enable device button right here after you disable it, so you can tap on the enable button to enable your touchscreen again. And it's basically that simple, and that's all for today's video as well. If you found today's video helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below, and again, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more.